You know, I like your house with the garden. Nice. How I wish I can have like that as well. My God, I don't know how to finish my house. I can give you now. You can give me the video of your daughter. Why you don't want to upload there in your channel? You can upload there in your channel. Otherwise, you can do, how is it? You can do private or unlisted and then send me the link if you don't want to make it on public. Then how you will share it with me? But if you upload it there in your channel, then you just make it unlisted or private, then send to me the link. Oh. Oh. Is she working now? Your daughter, is she working or what? That's a problem. Come on, Dad. Don't be overprotective. Yes, she is working. Oh, really? That's good. What is her work? Did she finish her studies? IT professional. Okay, that's good. Nice. Nice course. So she can work as well in call center or any offices. I thought she's in medical field because a lot of Indians are working as nurses or doctors. Even here in Bahrain, you know that there's a lot of Indian here working like in medical field. Anyway, not all people has the same passion. Wow, mashallah. Nice. Congrats to her. You have nice house. I like your house. Then you have also nice birds. Your parrot bird. Oh, really? Bank of Bahrain. Which one? You mean Bank of Bahrain, but you have like there is a branch there in India. Yeah, my birds also my kids. Yeah, they are so cute actually. It's really nice. They are really nice. They work for them. Who work? Who work for them? The birds?